back. Go back. Don't raise your eyebrow. It's create wrinkles.
We are zone. Itchy knee som. Som. Zone som.
Don't move. I'll have the chicken nuggets and corn. What you're having? Oh, I want some too.
I'm eating Asian.
Yes, it's
I like to eat Asian.
I like to eat chicken nuggets. You're having orange chicken?
It's sesame chicken.
Oh, I love sesame chicken. Oh, it's not easy to eat the corn
Okay,
with
sweetie.
so my
What did I do?
thing.
What did I do?
Oh!
Helping you here. Hold on.
Ah! This is the chopstick. Is it too hot for you? It's okay. I will eat it.
We're going to Hawaii.
Boarding on customers shopping on service to
No,
Boston.
this time we are super early. Last time we almost late.
We're going to Oslo,
Where is that?
Norway.
Corn is good. It's just not easy to eat it.
Should we give a shout out to all our buddies up in Tampere, Finland? Can you explain something to me? Why is it that you can go to get Asian food and it's never hardly Asian people cooking it? So do we figure out where we're going? Paris?
I don't know.
Las Vegas? Austin, Texas? Are we heading to South by Southwest?
You want corn?
No. I might trade you some sesame chicken for a biscuit. I will hold it. So what did you eat for breakfast?
I had hot pot.
Hot pot. How many days this week have we had hot pot?
Like four days.
Sure.
It's orange.
Once again, JetBlue is
Not
paging.
orange.
Say Victor and Bullock. It's
Yes,
D3.
your
Your flight is
favorite.
ready for...
There's a phone. Is that your
Oh,
phone?
thank you.
I think I finished the corn. Okay. Keep treat.
You should do learning how to make buttermilk biscuits. Biscuits, gravy, and fried chicken. Hush puppies, cornbread.
What is cornbread?
Is bread made from corn? Actually, I'm surprised you don't know about cornbread.
Why?
Because you are Yumi King. You know everything there is to know about corn.
This is like panda food.
I don't like the fried chicken. You can have your Popeyes back.
You don't like?
I want my Asian food back.
You don't like the fried chicken?
No.
Why? Honey mustard. All the fried chicken need sauce.
Do you want me to save you the last couple of pieces of
Yes,
sesame chicken and the noodles?
yes. We have been eating for 10 minutes. Do you want the fried chicken with sauce?
No. I'm actually very full. And we're going to be jammed in a little plane that's got seats half the size of what a human needs. Because the plane's going to Montreal, Canada are small. Because the seats on the plane that we're taking to Miami, Florida are small.
The mustard is very strong.
Maybe we're on a plane to Valdosta, Georgia.
I think this one is more flavorful than the chicken.
So how long is this flight to Portland, Oregon?
Oh,
Do you think we'll make our connecting flight to Medford, Oregon?
where is that?
Actually, it's been a very long time since I've been to America's Wyoming.
Where is that? We're finished. And then I'll finish my fried chicken. You think I'm eating too much? It tastes better with the sauce.
Yeah, well, I don't need
The honey mustard is so strong.
So they just changed our gate.
Really?
We're going to Kokomo, Indiana. We have to go down to the other gate.
Not true. I remember last time you came to visit me and you were at the door and you told me you missed the flight.
With your gate to the Island Davis 1A time, please move over to your gate. Once your flight taxis in, we will deplane.
I'm excited to arrive at Mystic Falls.
I know that place.
You know that place?
It's in Georgia. Did you know that it's in Atlanta? I'm getting full, but it tastes good. The mustard is so strong, as strong as wasabi.
Flight 146 was...
Let's do something fun.
Yes, what do you want to do? Unlock the phone, you know the password.
Let's find your food channel.
You want to read comments?
I'm going to read comments on camera.
Okay, read comments.
Find me a good one to read comments about. Are these all the comments?
Everybody's laughing about you. Make comments on the taro.
The fuzzy nuts?
Yes.
The fuzzy nuts. I'm not even sure how to pronounce them. Can you make it bigger?
No,
Why not?
you can't make it bigger. It's in the app.
Celtarius? Hey.
People talking about your thing. Ching.
Yes, I called it ching ching sauce.
Is it the last piece?
Gabby Chavez, 48, happy birthday, day after Valentine's Day. Jesse K. You can hate me, man, but I love you.
What is it?
I hate you. Casper Vacula Vlog. We noticed you.
What? Oh, the mustard is so strong. I think I'm full.
Carolina Carpenter, I love you too, sweetie.
Love you? Or
I'm pretty sure it's for me.
I'm good for today.
Marwa Fakwi, hey out there in Egypt. Egypt.
Oh, I think I eat too much. The battery is running out.
Bye-bye. Stop. We're finally on our flight to Nice, France.
Where's that? What are you looking at? Why are you looking at chipmunk? Why are you looking at chipmunk?
Because they're cute.
Yes, they're cute. They're so cute. What are you looking at? I think we're in the clouds. We will drive the red truck. We will drive the red truck. And then we will go to the hotel.
You know what? It looks like it's a real truck,
Yeah.
but it's tiny. It's like a mama truck and a daddy truck had a baby truck.
We are here now. Looks good inside. Here? Oh, it's got a big mirror.
If you want, we can order up breakfast in the morning. They'll bring us breakfast.
I don't want breakfast at hotel. I want to eat something new I have never had before.
Really enjoy when they bring me my breakfast.
Let's see. It's pretty big, and I like the mirror. I need to fix my makeup before we go. And my hair looks messy. I love the mirrors here.
Yeah, baby, I know you love mirrors.
Yes, I love mirrors. You're not using that just to make me worry about the camera. I'm worried about the camera.
You're worried? What about me? You're not worried about me? What if I fall? You only worried about the camera falling?
I worry about both.